Unit 7, Part A, Activity 4A. Listen to Kanya, Viesna and Meng talking about their trips to Mundalgiri and Ratanagiri. Who did each activity?
My name is Kanya. I went to Mandolgiri at Pshumban last year with my family. We stayed at a lovely guest house in the mountains. We did a lot of things. First, we went to the waterfall and took some nice photos. After that, we went on the short trek in the mountains and saw some local animals. And finally, we climbed a mountain to see the sunset and the views of the forest.
Hello, I'm Visna. My brother and I visited the Putang ethnic village last month. It was amazing. Firstly, we talked to the local people and they told us about their life and their culture. Then, we had a short lesson and they taught us how to say some common phrases in their language, which is called Pnong. Afterwards, they cooked dinner and showed us how to prepare some local food. Lastly, they showed us how they make the colorful clothes that they wear.
Hi, I'm Ming. I went on a short camping trip to Yetlaum Lake in Ratnagiri. It was really nice. First, I got up at sunrise and went for an early morning swim. The water was cold, but it felt very fresh and nice. Next, I took some photos of the fishing birds that you can see on the water there. Lastly, I bought some souvenirs that are made by the local people to give to my friends and family.
Unit 7, Part B, Activity 2A. Listen to the conversation and answer the true or false questions.
Hi, Nicole. You're back from your trip to Phnom Penh? How was it?
Hey, Tim. Hi, Kasal. Oh, it was great, thanks. Well, apart from the 7-hour bus journey to get there, that was boring. But I haven't been to Phnom Penh before. I went on a 3-day motorbike tour in and around the city.
Did you rent a scooter?
No, I had a driver. I was on the back of the motorbike and the driver took me around. He was a 60-year-old man, and he was good fun, and he took me to lots of places.
Was it expensive?
Well, not really. I bought a 3-day pass. You pay one price, and then you can go everywhere for 3 days for one price.
Where did you stay?
Oh, I got a good deal. I stayed in a 4-star hotel. I got it cheap. It was big, an 8-floor building, and it had a 25-meter swimming pool.
How much was it?
I got a big discount. It was a $40 room, but I paid half price, $20 a night. It was very busy, though. It's a 100-room hotel, and it was full.
Okay. I don't want to hear about the hotel. I want to hear about the tour. Where did you go? What did you see?
Well, on the first day, we did all the sad things. My mom's Cambodian, so I want to know about Cambodian history. So on day 1, first of all, we went to the killing fields, and then to the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum. It was so sad, it made me cry. But I learned a lot. It made me understand how lucky I am to have a good life. After that, I had lunch, and then I wanted to do something nice. So I visited the Royal Palace and the Silver Pagoda.
What's the Silver Pagoda? I've never heard of it.
It's a pagoda that's next to the Royal Palace on the riverside. It's called the Silver Pagoda because the floor is made of silver. And there are many beautiful figures of the Buddha inside.
Yes, I've been there. It's amazing. Tim, you should go.
Oh yes, you should see that. Anyway, on day 2, we stayed in the city and had a relaxed day. First, the driver took me to Independence Monument and I took some nice photos. And afterwards, we went to the National Museum. It's a really nice building, and there are some very interesting things inside from ancient Cambodia. We had lunch in a restaurant near the museum, and next we went to Wat Phnom, which is the most famous temple in Phnom Penh. It's very pretty, and it has a lovely garden outside with a clock made of flowers.
What about the last day, Nicole? What did you do then?
Well, first I wanted to buy some souvenirs, so the driver took me to Central Market. It's very big, and they sell a lot of things there. Later I'll show you what I bought. Finally, we got off the motorbike and went to Silk Island. The fastest way to get there is by boat. It's very relaxing and peaceful there. And you can see how they make the silk.
This sounds great, Nicole. I want to do this tour next time I go to Phnom Penh.
Well, tell me when you go, and I'll give you the phone number.